Yeah, so today we're going to change the hydraulic line on an excavator. We have sprung a leak with this line right here. Yours has a valve. First thing you're going to do is shut it off. Then from there, start loosening your fittings. Maybe a little pressure still left in them, but I don't think there should be any since it's been leaking. And this is the hose we'll have to replace. Got our news hose. Came from the local auto parts store. They make them. This was 63 bucks. Start by putting one end on. And your other end. Paying attention to not cross thread them. Once they're finger tightened, go ahead and snug them up. Don't over torque them. You don't want to strip your threads. And turn your ball valve back on. Then check your fluid, just make sure it's not too low since it did drain some of it out. And you should be all set to go.